There's the white guy. He's nervous. And this is another one. He's a brown one. He's got his neck all tucked in there. He's fully extended. Fucking long neck ass birds. Oh, there's another one. They have a nest. Oh, that's his wife. That's his wife. How cute. Walking here every day has finally paid off. This shitty little green Mustang is going hog wild crazy mode. Look at this guy. Long neck ass bird. Yeah. Yeah. Let's fucking go. We got a motherfucking zoo going on in this trench. Baby geese. Look, they're gonna whoop my ass. They're so cute. There's at least 3 of them.